here we have vz102133. It's the GT500 carbon fiber style. It is full carbon fiber. So you want to go ahead and clean the surface of the car with some alcohol. So the carbon fiber spoiler already comes with some 3M tape already pre-applied. Now, we'll go ahead and take it to the car. Line it up. So in this case, since I don't have somebody else to help me to show you guys what exactly we did, we just went ahead and took off the 3M tape and then we started aligning it to the holes. And then we sort of tighten it up. We haven't put it all the way in. So you want to grab your Allen key and start tightening it up. So once you're done bolting everything in, the same thing you did over there, you're gonna do on this side. After you're done bolting it and sticking it in with the 3M tape, your overall look should look like this. If you don't like the carbon fiber look, we do have it in matted black.